Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Jason Turley, and today we will be continuing on with more over-the-wire bandit challenges. So kicking things off, level 7, the password for the next level is stored in the data.txt next to the word millionth. So let's go back to our terminal, log in via SSH, bandit7, this hostname, and port 2220. Paste in the password that we got from the end of last episode. Sweet, we're in. So ls, we see the file data.txt. Do ls with tecl, and it will tell us how long this file is. And we can see it's huge. It's over 4 million characters, or 4 million lines, right? The tech h shows 4.0 million, so we probably don't just want to cat this out completely. It's going to be way too big and it's going to clutter up our terminal. So I have to use a tail command just to get the last 10 lines of the file, just so we can tell what format we're working with. Alright, cool. So it looks like it's a keyword and then like a password. Our challenge prompt tells us it's stored next to the word millionth. So we can use a tool called grep to search for the word millionth in that file, and it will return just that line. And right there we get the password. Copy it, save it, and then move on to the next one. Level 8, the level goal. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt and is the only line of text that occurs only once. Okay, so let's exit out and then log in to user 8. Paste in that password. Clear the screen, ls tech lh. Alright, this file is much smaller, which is good. If I run tail, the only line of text that occurs only once. So I know if you use sort data. Alright, now we can see everything in order. There's multiple duplicates. In order to remove duplicates, hit up on my arrow key to cycle through the history to get that last command. Pipe, then unique, tech u. Only print out the things that are unique. So essentially remove all duplicate lines. And that's the password for the next user. Copy it, add it here. The next level. The password for this level is stored in the file data.txt in one of the few human readable strings, preceded by several equal sign characters. The keyword here is human readable. Go back here, log in to Bandit9, paste in our password, clear the screen because that's ugly. ls tech lh, data, check it out, file. Okay, it's data, so it's likely not alphanumeric numbers and letters, texts, paragraphs, sentences that we're used to, right? So if I tail, I just get a crap ton of garbage. You know, this is nothing I can use. So there's a command that will transform that data into text. So I can do strings on data.txt file, and I get a bunch of stuff. And we can see here is the password because it's preceded by the equal sign that we got in the prompt. Another way I can do this is just pipe this into grep and then equals. And we get the password is this. same as last time, copy it in, add it to our credential file for easy reference, and move on to the next level. Level 10, the password for this level is stored in the same file, data.txt, and it contains base64 encoded data. So what is base64? We see we get a Wikipedia reference article. Let's check that out. Base64 is a group of text encoding schemes that represents binary data. Is there anything interesting here? Here, we can look at an example. Here's some well-known English text, and then when you run it through a base64 encoder, you get all this. So if I copy this, go back to my terminal, let's just echo that out, and then pipe it into base64 tech D for decode, and I get many hands make light work, which is what the original text is. So going back here, let's log in, get the password, log into Bandit 10, clear the screen, ls tech lh, file, ASCII text. What happens if I just cat it out? Okay, so this is the base64 encoded file, right? So I can just say cat, pipe that into base64 tech D to decode it, and I get the password is this. Awesome. Bandit 11, and then paste in their password, exit out. Let's log in to Bandit 11 now. And read the challenge prompt for them. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, where all lowercase a through z and uppercase capital A through Z letters have been rotated by 13 positions. Interesting. So let's look at this. rot13 is a simple substitution cipher that replaces a letter with a 13th letter in the alphabet. So on the right hand side we have this graphic. So all A's will become N's, all B's will become O's, and so on and so forth throughout the alphabet. So the word hello becomes URYYB. So if we look at whatever file we have here and cat it out, it's just nonsense. We need to rotate all of this by 13 positions. We could use an online decoder, but I'm sure if we scroll down, here we go. It gives us a command line example. We can use the TR for transform command, specify this sequence, and then just use 3 redirector arrows, and then our phrase, and I'll rotate it. So let's copy this. And then paste this in. Alternatively, we could have just Googled rot13 decoder. Trust the first result, click on it, wait for it to load, and just paste that in. So that's a second way to do it, either through the command line TR function or through a decoder like this. Okay, I think we'll end this video there for today. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.